In this video, we're going to have a quick look at adding sections into your form within Microsoft Forms. So I've got an example here with 4 questions, and if I just click on preview, you can see how that will look when I send it for people to feedback at. So they've got a little bit of scrolling to do. What I can do with sections is I can just break up that content even more, so they don't have to scroll too much and they can complete the form, the feedback, in sections. So I'm just going to click on back, and I'm just going to click where it says add new at the bottom, and I've got my drop down option and I can see I've got section. So I'm going to click where it says section and I'm going to add section 2. Once I've created the section, what I can then do is move questions around within the section or move the section itself. So clicking on the 3 dots, you can see I can move the section, but what I can also do with the questions above, because I've created the section below, is I can click on them and use the arrows to move those questions down. So I've now got another question in my section 2. I want to put the other one in there though, so I'm going to scroll up, click on my like a question and move that down as well. So now I've got 2 questions in my section 2 and 2 questions in my section 1, and I can name these however I want. The first one might be general information, the second one might be detailed feedback, and I can have as many sections as I want and move them around within my form. And let's just have a quick look at the preview to see how that has changed the way my form works. So looking in preview, I can now see I've got question 1 and question 2, but I've got a next button at the bottom, so I need to fill these out and click on next to move on to my other set of questions. So it just stops me from having to scroll too much and breaks down that form quite nicely, so it's in separate places. And I can use sections as well to hold questions, which I can use branching for. So have a look at my branching video as well to see how that works and how you could work with branching and sections at the same time to create really user-friendly forms and get the feedback that you're looking for.